Hi, my name is Mike and welcome to this video. We're going to talk about Moodle and H5P. Moodle is great, H5P is great. Put them together, they do work, but it's a right kerfuffle setting it up, and I've just wasted 2 hours of my life trying to do it. So, so I thought rather than struggle on and you struggle on, then I could perhaps show you how. So obviously on your sort of Moodle course you would turn editing on as usual, go down to the topic that where you want to add your H5P activity and click the add an activity or resource link. There will be a pop-up. It might not look like this, you might be on an older Moodle version. This is Moodle 3.9. Find the H5P icon and click there. So the first thing you'll see is adding a new H5P to resources, and you just give the link, and this is what the students will see on the page. Okay, so I've just called it demo H5P, but you can call it whatever you want. Then that opens up with, in fact, so it's just further down the page, this package file. Now, this is not like any other Moodle thing. This is quite tricky, and it did take a while to figure out. You'll see that the drag and drop area only takes archive H5P files, and of course if you don't have one you can't add anything. So what you need to do is click on the link at the bottom, highlighted in the box where it says use the content bank, okay, which opens up in a new window. So if I sort of click on that, then that comes to this page, and the content bank is, guess what, is empty, and you can't do anything with it, which is crazy. There's one button with add, and this is how we can get to H5P content. So click that add button, and what we'll see a drop down menu of all the different H5P activities. Don't get me wrong, H5P is brilliant, and if you want to check it out, they've got a great website called h5p.org. Go to examples and downloads, and you can see all that sort of stuff that you can do. I did see on one of the Moodle forums somebody wanted various multiple choice questions in a quiz. They'd selected multiple choice in the drop down box, but it only allows one multiple choice question. If you want multiple, then you have to go down to question set. So there's another gotcha. It's not necessarily obvious. So click on question set, and this is what you get. So give your quiz a title. I've just called it Mike's Demo Quiz for now. And further down the page there'll be add background image if you wish, and that'll be on the background of the quiz itself. Then you have progress indicator. I like the dots, but you can choose text if you want. Then there's a pass percentage, sort of in this instance 50%. If you get 50% you've passed the quiz. Onto the questions. How do we do it? Well, make sure that question 1 is selected. That would be cool. And then in question type there's a drop down list which looks like this, and funnily enough there's multiple choice, and then others like drag and drop, fill in the blanks, etc. Okay, and then so you in this instance I've selected multiple choice, given the question a title. I've just called it colors, and just for this simple demo, question 1 I've put what is the color of grass in winter, and then below that you've got options. So the first option I've put red, and the second option I've put green. Now notice on the green one I've selected the correct button, or correct sort of radio feature, and that tells H5P that that's the question you want the students to get right. And then you'll need to add another question. So you can click, if you want to add another multiple choice, if you like, an answer, then you click add option, and the third and then the fourth and then the fifth appear by clicking the add option. Once you've done with question 1, you come up to the top left hand corner and click add question, and you repeat this process until your quiz is complete. Then what you can do is have a look at what the question looks like, and you can either edit or close. And it's a good idea to select the wrong answers and click check, and then the right answer and click check. You'll see that the H5P gives you a nice feedback on whether you're right or wrong. Okay, so the next thing, once you're content, hit close, and then this window appears, and it shows that now in the content bank there's a file called Mike's Demo Quiz, and if you look on the right hand side, it's archive H5P file type. Now what you want to do, because it's not obvious and it took me a while, click upload. And then it's still not obvious. What you need to do is go to the top left in the next window and click choose file, then go to content bank, then onto the file that you have just created, and if you click on that, what appears is this box here, and it's suggesting make a copy of the file or create an alias shortcut to the file and save the questions as this. Okay, so you can rename that as required and then click select this file. At the end of the page, scroll down, click save and return to the course. And back on the course, what you'll find is the demo H5P link that the students would see. You click on there, and this is the single question that I've said that the students would see. So that's it. My name's Mike. I don't want you wasting 2 hours of your life fighting through the interface between Moodle and H5P. As I said, Moodle is great, H5P is great, but the interface of getting H5P to work on Moodle is a kerfuffle. Anyway, bottom line is that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful. Cheers now.